Now for a question like this, a lot of you will go ahead and do trial and error, and which will work definitely, but learning the right technique of finding the square root of any number or finding what needs to be subtracted is done by long division of finding the square roots. So I'm going to teach you how exactly you find the square root of a number without a calculator, without trial and error, the right approach or the usual method of finding the square. What you do, question has told you to find the smallest number that must be subtracted from the smallest 4-digit number. So smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Yeah. So you do this, you take 1000. Now you pair up the numbers starting from the end. So pairing up is important because a square always have a double number of digits. Yeah. Or if not double, then it's always like in pairs. Okay. We always find the square root by taking the numbers in pairs. So the first pair I got is 10. I think about the square number lying closest to 10. I know 3 times 3 is 9. So I'll write 3 at the left and 3 happens to be my answer. Okay. The first digit of my answer. 3 times 3 is 9. Now removing 9 from 10 gives me 1. And now when you bring down the digits, you don't bring just 1. You bring the pair overall. So this 0, 0 overall comes down. While there is one step you do on the left, which is double of 3. You will take the double of this 3, which is 6. So once you get this double number here, you want to put a bracket. This bracket is now to introduce the next digit to finding your square root. So what you do is upon putting any digit out here, like if I'll put 2, then that 2 comes here as well and on your answer as well. But the fact is upon putting 2 itself, I know that 2 times 6 is 12, giving me something greater than 100. Yeah. So I have to make the number here as 61, 62. It's going to look like that. So I know that 62, if I'll consider, then it is going to give me greater than 100. So I have only one option, 61 it can be. So 61 gets multiplied with the digit that you put in the bracket. So 1 times 1, I'll do 1. 1 times 6, 61. The answer here, the remainder is how much? 39. Well, we just got the answer that the square number closest to 1000 is the square of 31, and the remainder here we got is 39. Whatever answer you get as the remainder, that is the number you have to subtract from 1000 to get or to obtain the square number, and the square number will simply be the square of what value you got here. So well, the answer is just 39.